Hello everyone and welcome back to the series about removal dies models using the Form 4B printer and Precision Model Resin. My name is Bernhard von Oppeln. I'm a Master Dental Technician at Formlabs Dental, and in this second episode I'm going to show you how to set up your CAD software. What we're going to see in this video is where to find the CAD libraries. Then I'm going to show you live how to install them correctly. And at the end of this episode, we're going to see some general recommendations for CAD design and CAD parameters in case you don't have access to exocad or 3Shape. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is get our CAD libraries. The links to the CAD libraries are in our application guide. You have to download the application guide from here and you will find the links inside. For convenience, I also put the links to the exocad and 3Shape library directly into the description of this video. Once we have downloaded them, we are ready to install. When we download our CAD libraries for exocad and 3Shape, this is what you're going to get. For exocad, you're going to get a zipped folder, and for 3Shape, you will get something that is called a DME file. So let's get started installing exocad library first. This is as simple as double-clicking on the zipped folder. So on this side you see what's inside the zipped folder, and on this side you see my exocad installation. You can see it lives on my desktop and I'm on the LFCNA version of exocad. So let's go to the right folder right now. We have to open the Dental CAD app folder. From here we go into Library, and then we go into Model Creator, and then we go into Plates. So if we do the same here, opening this folder, we will see that there's also a folder called Plates. So if we double click this, we see what needs to go into the exocad LFCNA Plates folder. It's as simple as dragging and dropping it here and done. So this is for the plates presets. There's a second preset we need to install. So I'm moving up again. And in our exocad installation, we also have a folder called Production. In my exocad installation folder, I will also have a folder called Production. And I'm going to take this file. This is this time not a folder, but a file, and move it over here. And we're done with the exocad installation. So next we're going to install our library for 3Shape Dental System. Let's fire up Dental System, and in Dental System, let's open the control panel. Inside of the control panel, we find a section called Tools, and inside of this one, Import Export. If I click on Import Export, I can simply click on Import Materials and navigate to a DME file we just downloaded. Select this DME file and click on Open. We actually want to import all the components of the DME file, so make sure that all these check boxes are checked. And then we just click Import and we're done. And this is as easy as it is for importing the library for 3Shape. Okay, I think that was pretty easy, but some of you might not have access to exocad or 3Shape. So here are some general CAD considerations for removal dies design. When you set the offset between the die and the model, we recommend for Precision Model on the Form 4, and that's different from the settings for Form 3B or for Model V3, for example. We recommend an offset of 0 millimeters or lower. Lower means negative, is in some cases also a very good option. Then, if your CAD software actually allows it, we're going to use a taper on the die. Why is a taper an advantage? It basically makes it easier to insert the die into the slot. And also the friction starts later, because on a conical connection the friction starts at the very last moment, and that makes the insertion and the removal of the dies very easy. So that's it for the installation. We're going to look a little bit more into the CAD design options and considerations like we just discussed in the next video, which is the video number 3 in this series. Thank you and see you there.